Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to create your new Apple ID, you might see the error that your account could not be created at this time. So the very first thing you just have to simply go back from here. It might be due to your network issue, it might be a software glitch, or sometimes it might be your iPhone issue. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or you have to also check that your internet is working well or is stable and strongest. Then go to your general section here, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, you have to also go to your date and time section and here disable the toggle, then set your time zone from here, then enable this to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back. You can also check for your region here that you have selected your own region in which you are living. After that, simply go back. You can try to reset your network setting because sometimes it might be your iPhone network issue. So it can be easily fixed by resetting your network settings. Before you do that, you have to simply go back and go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions, and just disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, and now you can try to reset your network settings. Go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on Recent Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issues, you can try to go to your browser and here just simply search for Apple System Status. Just search for this Apple System Status, and here just open the first website and just wait for the loading here. Now on this page, you might see a step interface. You just have to tap on this plus or the glass option here. And here you have to look for Apple account or iCloud account. Here's the Apple account. You have to also check that it's available now. You can also check for something else. It might be iCloud or here's the iCloud account and sign in. So if you might see that these both are available, but you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to go back, or if you might see the error that these are not available or something else written there, so it might be a server issue. You just have to wait for almost 2 hours or 3 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So just wait for until that's be available, and then you can retry. Or if it's available but you're still facing the same issue, so just open the browser and you just have to use your browser instead of your iPhone to create a new Apple ID. Now to do this, just simply open your browser here, just simply search for a website which is appleid.apple.com. Here's the website, there's appleid.apple.com. Just search for this and here just read for it until it's open. So on this website you must see this interface. You just have to tap on this arrow option here and then tap on this create your Apple account option. Just select this option and just wait for the next screen. Now on this screen you can easily create your own Apple ID without using your phone. You can easily use the same website on your PC or on another device. So just try to create your new account from here. And once you have successfully created a new account, you can easily log into your iPhone. So in this way you can easily fix if you are unable to create your account, or after using your browser if you're still facing the same issue. So there's the only way. You just have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, or you can also select accounts from the section. Just select more products, select Apple account, and here just tap on this other Apple account topics, and then select creating an Apple account. Just select this option here, and here you might see some possible fixes, or you can also try to tap this get more help. Then tap on call us. After that, you'll see a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.